Okay, so Web3. Say that word out loud at a dinner party and watch half the table's eyes glaze over. It sounds like jargon. It sounds like something only crypto bros and software engineers care about. And honestly, a lot of the marketing around it has been not great. Lambo gifs, weird ape pictures, people yelling to the moon. None of that actually helps explain why any of this stuff actually matters. So let's skip all that. Forget all the buzzwords for a second. I want to explain to you why a normal person who just uses the internet like everybody else should actually care about this. Here's the thing about the internet you use every single day. You don't actually own any of the data on it. Your photos live on somebody else's servers. Your messages live on somebody else's servers once again. Your identity online, your follower count, your years of posts and memories, all of it technically belongs to a handful of companies. They could delete your account, they could change the rules overnight, they could sell your data, bury your content, or just decide tomorrow that your business doesn't get to reach its audience anymore unless you pay up. That's the internet we've all been just accepting. You're renting your digital life from a landlord you never agreed to. So Web3 at its core is just this idea. What if you actually owned your stuff online? Your data, your identity, your money, your content, not stored on one single company's server, but spread across a network that no single company controls. Think of it like the difference between keeping your cash in one specific bank that can freeze your account whenever it wants versus holding your cash in your own hands. With the former, somebody else is always in control. With the latter, you are. That's really the whole idea behind Web3. Everything else, the technical stuff, the blockchains, the tokens, that's just the intricacies that make it possible. Now look, I'm not trying to say that every Web3 project out there is good and really sticks to these ideals. There's a lot of noise in this space, and a lot of projects that are just about speculation dressed up as innovation. So I really get the skepticism, I really do. But the underlying idea that you should be able to own your digital life instead of renting it, that's worth caring about regardless of how you feel about crypto as a whole. If this kind of stuff is interesting to you, even a little bit, do me a favor and hit subscribe and share this video. I'm making more videos breaking this whole space down in plain English, without jargon and hype. So if you like it, please do subscribe. So what does this idea really look like in practice, the idea of Web3? Well, it's the idea that your data shouldn't be sitting in one company's data center, and that it should be spread across thousands of independent computers, all run by regular people all over the world. That means that there's no more any single point of failure and no single company that can flip a switch and take all your stuff away. That's actually the whole premise behind something like Qortal, for example. It's not an app, it's a network built and run by the people using it, where you can publish, message, and build applications without asking anybody's permission first. That means there are no gatekeepers, no sorry that violates our terms of service, no company deciding that you're allowed to say or not say something, or build or not build something. So Qortal is not perfect, it's still early, but it's a real example of what an internet without gatekeepers and middlemen could actually look like. So next time somebody rolls their eyes at you when you say Web3, you could tell them it's not really about the jargon or the hype bubbles. It's about a pretty simple question. Do you want to own your digital life or keep renting it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.